First, figure out what you're going to spend the money on. Number two, anticipate that you might get a second check. Number three, don't lose your mind. Number four, don't alter your spending habits. Number five, this is a windfall, not an ongoing benefit. We're going to talk about 5 things you need to be mindful of with regards to financial planning, as opposed to saying, ooh, I'm going to get this DVD player, or ooh, I'm going to go get this VR thing, whatever the case may be. Start figuring out what you're going to spend the money on and be responsible about exactly knowing what you're going to spend that money on once you get a stimulus, or more importantly, if you get a stimulus. Keep in mind, you want to be mindful of the fact that there's a distinct possibility that if this thing doesn't improve, another stimulus check might be coming your way. Be prepared for the reality that you might get an additional check. It's easy to think that this money is coming to you and you can just go out and just go crazy. Be smart about it. When you get this check, don't treat it as a lottery. Treat it in a responsible manner. It's easy to start spending it on things you normally wouldn't, because what happens, it's money that you didn't anticipate. So what happens is you start deviating from your normal spending patterns. Don't do that. Don't do that. This is hopefully a one-time or maybe a two-time thing. Do not treat it like you're going to get it on a regular basis, because if you do, you will start to become reliant. People, this is going to be a unique adventure for some people, because some of you may not have experienced the stimulus the last time. Some of you may not have experienced the stimulus that we received, I think, almost over a decade or so ago. So this is not a situation that we should ever want to be in. Be smart. When the money comes in, if it does come in, do not change how you normally do things, and be prudent about what you spend money on. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint.